Hey guys, so today we came to shoot at this absolutely amazing place outside of Moscow, like 2-hour ride with all our stuff with the 8x10 camera. It was crazy in the public transport, but we managed to get here. So my friend is shooting Pentax 6x7 over there, and I am with my 8x10 Wista, and the nature is just crazy beautiful. So we are stuck a bit and we are trying to hide from the ice rain. Welcome to Russia. Okay, we're waiting for the wind to pass in order to make a shot at 1-second exposure, and here we have stuff drying. What? Я не в кадре? Yes! Officially done shooting. We only shot 4 negatives, but I think it's a pretty good result for today, and I'm going home